everyone, iOS 26 has just been released as a developer beta. Now, listen to the first sentence I just said. iOS 26 has just came out in a developer beta. A lot of people right now will actually go through and actually start installing iOS 26 on their main device that they're using on an everyday basis. Right now, even though iOS 26 looks really cool, has tons of features, has lots of things going for it, it is still a developer beta at the end of the day, and it's only designed to be installed by developers or people testing the software. Right now, iOS 26 has a lot of UI changes, a lot of iMessage updates, Apple Intelligence looks much cooler, but these are still features that need to be tested out and need to be fully developed out, and they're not meant to be fully used right now. Typically, what Apple ends up doing is that they go through and they release a developer beta around this time in June, so middle of the year. Then every couple of weeks, Apple will go through and receive all the feedback of the developers going through and using the software. They will make tweaks, they will make adjustments, they'll push out another update, a smaller one, and they'll just keep pushing out these smaller incremental updates until sometime around September. In September, Apple will fully officially release iOS 26 to everybody who has an iPhone 11 or above. So if you have an iPhone 11 or above, you can install this version of software completely free and without having to develop or be a developer. But right now is a very important time. People will go through and hear what cool features iOS 26 has, and they will go through and fully publish up and update their phone that they use on an everyday basis with iOS 26. I will almost guarantee every single person who installs iOS 26 right now will regret doing that on their main device. If you have a side iPhone, or if you have an iPhone 12 you're no longer using because you have an iPhone 16, then by all means install it, right? If you no longer use that phone, it doesn't really matter anymore if you break it. But if you currently are using a phone on an everyday basis, you use it for work, you use it for texting, calling, it's your main primary phone, this is not an update you want to install. You want to stick with iOS 18. Right now, iOS 18.5 is significantly better and significantly more stable than iOS 26. Even though 26 has more features, over time, when September hits, then you should go and update. But right now, this is a terrible time to go and update, and I would highly avoid doing that. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.